Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm back with new video on latest job openings for this week. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for your support and response on these videos. I have tried to reply all of your comments without missing anyone. In the last week video, many of you asked for openings in Mumbai, Bangalore and Pune locations. So in this video, I have added job updates for these locations as well as others. If you are looking for a specific role in a particular location, you can comment below or you can also reach out to me on my Instagram ID Vishwas_Reddy01. I'll surely try to find out if there are any openings on that particular role. If you feel these job updates are not matching your skill set, don't forget to share this video to the people who are in job search. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more videos on latest job openings. So let's get started. Amazon is hiring for seller partner support associate. Work from home. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required. 50 vacancies. Location Mumbai. Salary 2,75,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities. The seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Basic qualifications: bachelor degree. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. The job involves working in 24/7 environment including night shifts, and the shifts are decided based on business requirement. Candidates who are based in Mumbai should apply. Interested candidates can register for this role using the registration link I have provided in description. Amazon is hiring for customer service role. Work from office. Job highlights: must be fluent in communication skills and willing to work in night shift. 0 to 4 years of experience required. Location Pune, Coimbatore. Eligibility criteria: the qualification is 10+2 pass and any graduate can also apply. Must be fluent in English communication and willing to work in night shift. Candidates who have applied in last 3 months and pursuing a regular education are not eligible to apply for this position. Amazon is virtually hiring for senior associate ERC role. 1 to 6 years of experience required. Location Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Salary 4 lakh to 4,50,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: receive and log all queries received via calls, cases, tickets. Responding to inquiries regarding policies, programs including benefits, attendance, payroll deductions, etc. Basic qualifications: a bachelor degree or master degree is plus. Minimum of 6 months to 5 years of experience in international voice process, willing to work in contract or service. Preferred qualifications: foreign language proficiency would be an added advantage. Prior experience in inbound or outbound call center handling HR help desk is desirable experience in HR or HR services. Eligibility criteria: immediate joiners only. Amazon is hiring for associate retail process. 0 to 2 years of experience required. 20 vacancies. Location Chennai. Salary 2,25,000 per annum. Eligibility criteria: educational qualification: should have completed graduation in any stream. Excellent written and oral communicational skills. Should have excellent analytical ability skills. Only immediate joiners can apply. Interested candidates can register for this role using the registration link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for customer service role. 0 to 5 years of experience required. 200 vacancies. Location Delhi, Noida. 2 lakh to 2,75,000 per annum is the salary. Eligibility criteria: minimum qualification is 10+2 pass and any graduate can also apply. Must be fluent in English communication and willing to work in night shift. Amazon is hiring for ROC transportation specialist. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Job description: an ROC specialist, flow of information between different stakeholders. Inbound operations deals with vendor, carrier, FC relationship, ensuring that freight is picked up on time and delivered at FC. Roles and responsibilities. Communication with external customers and internal customers, both on phone and emails. Ability to pull data from numerous databases using Excel, Access, SQL and other data management systems. Basic qualifications. Bachelor degree and above. 0 to 48 months of work experience is required. Communication skills. Transportation specialists will be facilitating flow of information between external parties. Preferred qualifications. Master degree in operations or in any related field will be preferred. Amazon is hiring for automation analyst, Bangalore location. 0 to 4 years of experience required, 50 vacancies, salary 3 lakh to 4 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities. In this role, associates are required to understand different operational techniques and have a high level of attention to detail. Meet or exceed expectations and understand how the business operates and suggest change to improve the process. Basic qualifications. Any BE or BTech, MCA, MSc or similar course in computer science or information people can apply. Understand scripting, HTML, XPath and XML on SQL are preferred skills. Wipro is hiring for voice process Kolkata location. 0 to 5 years of experience required. Education qualifications. 10+2 or graduate, both can apply. Job description. Handling clients and troubleshooting, resolving escalation from clients. Job criteria. Good communication skills in English. Good domain knowledge. Eligible candidates can directly drop your resume to the email ID which I have provided in the description. Wipro is hiring for domestic voice process. 0 to 1 year of experience required, 100 vacancies, location Delhi, Noida. Job requirements. Good communication skills, immediate joiners, should be within transportation boundary limit. Any graduate and undergraduate can apply. Wipro is hiring for freshers, international voice process. Job highlights. 0 to 1 year of experience required. Location Hyderabad. Job criteria. Excellent communication skills needed, spoken and written. Interested candidates can directly drop your resume from the link I have provided in the description. Accenture is hiring for Python programming language associate. Must have skills. Technical experience, a subject matter expert of Python development, strong Java knowledge, object-oriented programming, development, experience with DBeast, experience with DevOps, CD or CI pipeline. 1 to 5 years of experience required. Location Pune. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.